here. I will tell you everything you need to know about yourself, both the problem and the solution.
Yeah, hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. I greet you according to the time you are hearing my voice or wherever you are hearing me from, okay? If the first time of seeing my channel, do want to click on that subscription button so that you don't miss other important video from me. Who there is also, where there is God, everything is possible. Today I'm going to teach you how to break an evil spell or evil charm that is working against you or working against anybody, okay? To destroy this is very, very simple. Either in your family house, in your shops. So once you do this, any evil charms working against you will be destroyed. Okay guys, let's go then. So like this video if you think I'm wonderful. Like this video if you think my knowledge has been of help to you so far. Okay guys, what you need to do is that if maybe for example you have a shop, you are not selling, and you believe that there's a charm working against you, or there's a witch working against you, or there's a spirit working against you, you always go to the shop, you sleep, or the house you are living, you believe that house is an evil energy, or there's someone that was living there before, the landlord have done something evil in that house and is making things not to work for you. Yes, quite alright, you can be living in a house that the house contains negative energy and you will never grow. Yeah, that's why sometimes we used to tell people change your house or change your this, but meanwhile you don't even need to change house again. Maybe your cost of changing house will be very expensive for you, so you can do this in the house you are, so that whatever negative energy in that house that is working against you will be destroyed. Or maybe you have a shop, your neighbor, somebody have done evil charm in that shop that is working against you, or somebody that was there before. Or maybe the that was in that shop before has one or two issues with landlord, so he discharged from that shop that nobody will stay in that shop, so that nobody will last long in that shop again, and it's affecting you. You can do this. Or maybe you have any business at all, okay? Or maybe you have a spiritual spouse is working against you to make things are not working for you. This is going to help you. All you need is to just get your first early morning urine. After you have gotten your first early morning urine, then you get bitter cola. You get bitter cola, okay? Your first early morning urine, you get bitter cola. Your first early morning urine and bitter cola. So your first early morning urine and bitter cola, then you add salt to it. Then you add egg. Yes, egg to it. Egg. That is local egg. Add it to it. Then you add a day old ash to it. Then you mix all those items together in a water. After you have mixed all those items together, that is your early morning urine. That's a bitter cola. Then early morning urine, your bitter cola, a day old ash, your egg and salt. Those are the 5 items you are going to mix together. After you have mixed them together, if it is in your house, pray on it. Any negative energy, anything at all that is drawing me back on this and that is bringing bad luck, any bad luck in this house, this is what I used to destroy it. So you pray on that water, sprinkle throughout the front of your house and inside your house. The one you just sprinkling it there, then after like 5 minutes, then you sweep that house. Yes, if it is your shop as well, then you do the same thing in your shop. After you have done that same thing in your shop, after like 4 to 5 minutes, you sweep your shop away. You put on it anything that is causing me not to have customer, anything that is making block customer to come my way, and anything that is making things not to work here for me. Sometimes you'll be in a shop, you'll be experiencing flies everywhere. Like, just know that it's a bad energy. You'll see flies all over your shop, so you put on it the same way. Then you sprinkle it in your shop, and after some minutes, then you sweep your shop. Doing this will remove any negative energy in that environment. Or maybe your family house, you believe that there's an evil charm that is working against your whole family, okay? Once you do this particular one, that evil charm is destroyed. And meanwhile, if you are doing it in a family house, for example, you can do it for yourself, you can do it for somebody. If you are spiritualist, you can go and do this for somebody in their family house, okay? If you are doing this in the family house for somebody, you are going to sprinkle it in the house using broom. Yes, you are not going to use a hand to sprinkle it. No, if you are sprinkling it in the house, you use broom. That means after you have prepared the water, just the way I've said, the local egg, the salt, the ash, the urine, and the urine. Okay, that's local egg. This 5 items, please. Local egg, the salt, okay, the urine, the day old ash, and the bitter cola. So all those items, after you have mixed them together in water, after you have put on it, any evil charm that is disturbing this family, that is working against this family today, let it be destroyed. After you have made that prayers on it, and the catechus will be, no matter how hot an ash is, that hotness cannot pass that day. So as a result, whatever it is that is disturbing this family should not pass today. So you declare that word on it. That word of contact is, for it to work fast, is no matter how hot the ash is, that hotness cannot pass that day. So you use your broom, put broom inside the DC, then you'll be sprinkling it with broom. You use broom, you use it to sprinkle it around in the house. Whatever it is at all that is disturbing that family, that thing will stop that day by special grace of Almighty God. That charm will be destroyed that day. Okay, if there's anybody that can dream very well, when that person sleep that night, the person sleep, the person in that's one of the family member will dream and see that they will see graves in that house. That means those charms have been destroyed. So that's how to use all those items to destroy anything negativity at all. Even if you are the kind of person that maybe you use your leg to carry evil charm, and your legs now swell up, or you use your heart to carry evil charm, your heart now swell up. Apply this on your body morning, night, morning, night. And meanwhile, if you are missing all those items, if it's on your body, maybe you use your hand to carry evil charm, your heart now swell up, or you use your leg to carry evil charm, your leg now swell up. You don't need to mix it with water, you mix it with palm kernel oil. So all those items should be mixed with palm kernel oil. So morning and night you'll be rubbing it on that leg or on that hand. By special grace of God, no matter what charm it is, that charm will be destroyed within 7 to 14 days. So that's that. So if you think this has helped you so far, don't forget to just like the video to not remove anything from me, okay? And anything you know that I ask questions. If you want to join my free WhatsApp group, let me know. And I also have a group for spiritualists and pastors. If you want to join my group for spiritualists and pastors, also let me know, okay? This is my number display on the screen. You can contact me at any time. Chat me up on WhatsApp, okay? See you guys in the next video.